today's object to crush. We have a tin can, a nice little work from a student, a coffee cup from Ikea, a Logitech speaker, a pan, and we also have like a deodorant, a mouse, a golf ball, Termination 2024, plywood on this side, also in the back, tape, puzzling to get all the pieces together. And here we have some lumber, handle to pump with, 10 tons, like plexiglass, just work lights, put it on the side. Now, let's break stuff. Now, this will be my like base. I'll just crush it and make it flat. Two tons of pressure and just release it. Oh, maybe this is good to have as the base to not break the wood. Okay, we got this nice looking clay figure. I'll have to put down the plexiglass for this one. This will be maybe scary. I'll just get some pressure on it first. Like, put it on top. Hasta la vista, baby. Okay, next we got this nice cup from Ikea, and I'll just set it for super slow-mo for you guys. Four tons. 6 tons. You can see that stuff. It's like popping up out some goo. That's what you got on the inside. Nivea. Cool kick. Cool kick. There goes the lid. Whoa! God damn. You probably should have gloves on to remove this stuff. Where did all my... It smells good in the box right now. So I'll put the protection here again. And actually quite a nice pan, but I found all this stuff in the recycling room, so away it goes. So yeah, we have the lid inside the pan, and there's like a bump on the outside, but I guess we're not done with this yet. We have to crush it on this side also. This is my nightmare. The balls. My God, the balls is my nightmare. Okay. I hate these balls, or the beads, or what you call them. Let's put it in slow motion and let's go home. Puttekulan här. Helvete. Let's look at this slow motion bit. Damn. Yeah, you got all this old debris flying, and you also get these new like glass beads just hopping away. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, just shot a bit from the middle. Yeah. Ooh. I should have had this one in slow motion. It's such a nice figure. But the sound. Yeah. Yay. Boom. It goes so fast. This was my first video outside, like skateboarding completely. But I hope you had fun watching it. I will post a lot of more skateboard clips because I skate every day. But if you like, please you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and get rich. If you have any ideas on what I should use my hydraulic press for next, please comment below, like what you want to see it to be crushed, or write it in the comment below.